And he's pushing so hard with his feet, whilst keeping his head above his shoulders. And if you want to compare the last fight to this fight, you can see the way he's pulling his shoulder back to generate the power in those shots. So he's using his wrestling to cause damage. Big shots, and he's got that bottom arm trap. This is not good for Kubo.
Kubo's face exposed to the right hands of Shaidullayev, and another one cracks him on top of the ear. Those ears will be ringing now. Cracks him again on the ear. This is Shaidullayev laying in the damage, fearing and daggering the head of Kubo. Helpless Kubo, no place to go. Referee may stop it. If Kubo doesn't defend, it's over. It's going to be over. He's going to do it again. 55 seconds to go. Kubo in all sorts of bother. He's been beaten. He's being assaulted. He's taking a barrage of punishment. Referee may stop it. He does stop it. He does stop it. You cannot stop Shaidullayev. However, 16 seconds to go in the round. 19-0. 10 first round finishers. This man is not human. What can stop him? But can't even touch him. Shaidullayev does it again.
Absolutely wild, isn't it? When people lose a fight, they come back for revenge. You get the feeling Shaidullayev was a little, and it might be more finishes to come.
6-4 overall for Team World against Team Japan tonight. There's Akamoto, the 20-year-old sensation, watching cage side. But still no one can figure out